It's William. You know what? We got a new review for you. Enhe Wheel, hopefully got that right. Enhe Wheel scooter. They reached out to us and said, hey, we'd like to send you a scooter. I said, a scooter? What am I going to do with a scooter? So I started checking it, doing some research, and I thought, well, this might be great for our lifestyle. We could throw this in the back of the truck. You know, we get to an area where we need to run around. I could jump on this. In fact, I might get another one. So me and Robin both have one on our adventures and stuff like that. Might be great for a lot of people that are in the RV transport business now that are out there doing this and exploring. This might be a great way to explore because this thing's all off-road setup. You know, it's got the dirt tires, 28 miles, it'll go 28 miles, it'll go up to 28 miles per hour. I mean, this thing's a lot of fun. I've been having a blast with this. $549 is what they're on Amazon. Robin will put all the stuff in the link below, you know, in the description and all that stuff. Also, I didn't do an unboxing. The reason I didn't do an unboxing is because you've seen an unboxing. This thing come out of the box super nice. So we'll put another link in the description below that you can click on if you want to see the unboxing. It was packed super nice, so you don't have to worry about any of that stuff. Easy to put together. You only had to pop in this little pin right here so that you could hook the handlebars on, and then you had to bolt the handlebars on, and you had to bolt the little, or strap the bag on. So there was nothing. You didn't have to, you know, put shocks together, tires, wheels, all that stuff was there. I mean, this thing was very simple to put together. It was about 60 or 70% charged when it showed up. And it's got 4 different levels of speed. You can power it on right here. See if you can see that right there. As soon as it lights up. See, it's a number 1. You can go 2, 3, 4. I recommend you to, first time doing this, make sure you're on 1. It also has cruise control, so if you hold the throttle for too long, it'll automatically go into the cruise control mode, and you got to tap on the brake. This here's the back brake. This one's the front brake. Makes it a little easier. Just tap on the back brake. The cruise control will shut off. You know, you got your horn. I mean, check this thing out. It's got a headlight. I mean, look at that. And it doesn't end there because it's got turn signals. Let's go to the other side. And it has them on that side. Pretty cool, right? Even beeps, I can touch, you know it's doing it. And brake light. Full suspension. I mean, it just amazes me what they can do these days. I've been out here just having a blast with this thing. Everything pops in. I mean, let's just show you real quick. Hopefully I can get it in the, we'll bring the camera back here enough like this. And you just come up here like that. Oh, let's not give it gas. First of all, let's turn it off. You got your kickstand back there, but you go over here and you got this little button. Lift up on it, I think. There, it's got to be stronger than me. And it pops down. And it goes in that carry position like that. You know, it's like 50 pounds, 54 pounds, I think is what it is. You go like that. Pull that back. Pop it right back in. Make sure your kickstand's right there. So it folds up. It'll fit in your truck real nice. Super easy to work with. Right there is where you plug it in to charge it. Just comes with this little charger. Pop it in there. Plug it in. Not a whole lot to deal with. Super simple. Like I said, 28-mile range, 28 max speed, full suspension, shocks front and rear. I mean, is this thing nice, guys, or what? This thing is nice. This thing's a lot of fun. Alrighty, let's give you some of the specs on this thing. Right now it's showing for $549, so that $549 to $599 price range is pretty much what they're going for right now. It's 45.6 inches high, 28 miles per hour, 28 miles distance, so you should better get 28 miles in distance out of it. 10-inch travel on the shocks, 330 pounds max load. Yeah, dual suspension, battery charge time could take up to 5 hours to charge it if it's totally dead. But like me, I got one of those little plug-ins in the back of my truck right there. And right where I'm going to put this, I can just plug it in right there. It'll be charged up all the time. let's see what it weighs. Let's see what it weighs. Give us wheel size, 10-inch wheels. Weighs 52 pounds. It didn't feel like it was that heavy, but I'm sure, you know, to get the battery distance and the mile per hour, it's probably got to be that way. But items dimensions are 45.6 long, 25.59 wide, and 45.6 high. And that's just, I'm sure, the handlebars, and you can see how that folded down in the other part of this video. But this is a lot of fun. This is, I get a lot of e-bikes and stuff. I've had e-bikes. I've got reviews that I've done on e-bikes, but they're hard for me to take them anywhere because they're just too big. I could put a couple of these in the back and me and Robin could go and explore and stuff like that. So if you're looking for something, because if you're getting into RV transport, and this doesn't even have to be RV transport, but there's a lot of people that have got into RV transport because of our channel now, and they're out there doing hikes and exploring and stuff like that. This might be a great way to explore. It's got all off-road tires. This thing's designed for off-road. So you could go out there and have a blast with this little thing and plug it back in the back of your truck back there and charge it all back up so it's all ready to go. So just something I wanted to throw out there as a review. I'm surprised. I was a little intimidated when I first got on it because I don't think I've rode a scooter like this in, I don't know, 50 years. I don't know, guys, maybe not that long, but quite a while ago. And when I first stepped on it, I kind of wanted to give it a push and get going. But you know, if you get one of these, make sure you start out on that number 1 because it's slow. Work yourself up to number 4 before you know it, you're hauling butt everywhere. But yeah, you could have a lot of fun, but you can get hurt on this stuff too. So be careful out there. And remember that cruise control, because I was reading up on it before when I was unboxing it and stuff, and it said something about the cruise control. But I'm flying down the road and the cruise control is on, and I'm not even going, I let off the gas, and then I remembered in my head, oh, let's just tap the brake like your vehicle, you know? Yeah. RV transporter guys, you know how to use that cruise control. But tell me what you think, you know? Reach out if you have any questions, because I've been out here running this thing around the neighborhood today, having a lot of fun with it. I think this is a nice little unit to have, you know, in the back of the truck. Yeah, I think it's really cool to have. Even back when I used to race cars and everything, we had pit bikes, little mini bikes and stuff, gas powered and everything. You know, this is the perfect pit bike. So maybe you guys, you racers out there looking for a pit bike, this would work great for that. I'm very impressed. The quality, the structure, everything about it is nice. It's when they said they were going to send me a scooter, I was like, what? $500, $600 scooter? I was like, we'll give it a try. I didn't show you unboxing the unboxing there. We'll put a link down below where you can click on it. The company actually has an unboxing and all that stuff, and we'll add all that into the description. I'll have Robin do that if you want to see that. But basically, it's boxed very, very nice. Everything is padded really well. You just lift it on out of there, snip a couple of zip ties, and it comes with a little toolkit to add the little piece right here. You got to add this screw right here for this to lock in. And then you have to tighten the handlebars up right here, right there. Put the handlebars into place and tighten that up. And then add the little bag here. But other than that, that's all you got to do, guys. There's no installing wheels or brake cables or shocks. None of that has to be done. It takes like 5 minutes, and it was probably 60% charged, and then I plugged it in. Within a few hours, it was all ready to go. Very simple. Yeah. I mean, I think that's all we got for this video. I think this is a nice new addition to our lifestyle, and I think it'd be a great addition to yours too. So let us know what you think below. Everything will be in the description. Robin will have everything out there. The links, you can click on it, go right to it to purchase it. Reach out to me if you have any other questions that I didn't address in this video. And you know how I end these videos. Always